Baba, I posted a picture of our soccer game, and someone I don't even know commented nice shot, with a weird link.
That smells fishy. You see, Saro, when we post things online, even pictures, anyone might see them, unless we make them private.
But it's just a photo of me and the team. What's the big deal?
Take a closer look. Are you wearing your team jersey?
Hello kids! This is your Captain AHS. Every time we click, type, or share something online, we're leaving little clues behind, just like footprints in the sand. But what if someone follows those clues and finds out too much? That's why online privacy is like your secret superhero shield. It protects you in the digital world. Let's learn how to keep our info safe, smart, and just for the people we trust.
Look at this! I typed my name and birthday in the school game, and now I'm on the leaderboard. I'm number 5.
Wait, what? You typed your full name and birthday?
Yeah! It said if I do, I get bonus stars and a badge.
Okay, superstar, I know that sounds cool, but that's called personal information. And it should stay private online.
Private? Like my diary?
Exactly. Online privacy is like locking your diary with a secret code. Your full name, birthday, school, even where you live, those are your treasures. Not for sharing with just anyone.
So my birthday is like my secret cookie recipe?
Yes. And only people you trust, like me, Mama, or Baba, should ever know it online.
Okay. I'm going to ask you first next time before typing anything.
That's my smart cookie.
Baba, I posted a picture of our soccer game, and someone I don't even know commented nice shot, with a weird link.
That smells fishy. You see, Saro, when we post things online, even pictures, anyone might see them, unless we make them private.
But it's just a photo of me and the team. What's the big deal?
Take a closer look. Are you wearing your team jersey?
It has our school name and everything.
Bingo! That photo tells strangers where you go to school. If the field is in the background, it may even show where you live.
So they could find me just from my picture?
Not if you're smart. Always check privacy settings and only share posts with people you know. Never click links from strangers.
Okay, I'm gonna make my account private and delete that post.
That's the way. Think of your info like your house keys, you don't just hand them to random people.
Hey Space Explorer, what are you working on?
Looking up cool space facts for my project, but now I'm getting ads for space toys everywhere.
Ah, sounds like you've been followed by the cookie trail.
Cookies? Like the edible ones?
No, digital cookies. They're tiny files websites leave to remember what you search, click, or buy. They follow you around like a trail of breadcrumbs.
So that's why I keep seeing telescope ads?
Exactly. That's part of your digital footprint. Everything you do online leaves a trace.
Can I clean it up?
Yeah, you can. Use private browsing. Clear your cookies and only visit safe websites that don't overshare your data.
I shall now surf the internet, like a digital ninja.
That's the spirit, Agent Saro. Leave no cookie behind.
Now it's time for the quiz. What should you do before sharing your photo online? Option A, share it with everyone. Option B, ask a parent or guardian. Option C, send it to a stranger. Option B, ask a parent or guardian. Which of these is okay to share online? Option A, your phone number. Option B, your home address. Option C, your favorite color. Option C, your favorite color. If someone you don't know sends you a message online, what should you do? Option A, reply and make friends. Option B, ignore it or tell an adult. Option C, tell them your full name. Option B, ignore it or tell an adult. Why is it important to keep your passwords private? Option A, so no one else can pretend to be you. Option B, so it's easier to remember. Option C, so you can write them on your notebook. Option A, so no one else can pretend to be you. Which of the following is the best way to protect your privacy online? Option A, click on all links sent to you. Option B, log out of your account when you're done. Option C, use the same password for all websites. Option B, log out of your account when you're done. Now that we know how to stay safe online, it's time to get our hands on something cool and organized, like digital magic boxes. Get ready to dive into the world of spreadsheets, where numbers, rows, and columns become your new super tools. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.